What's up, guys? I have another unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna keep it short, but I'm really excited about this one. This is going to be some fire. Yeah. Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm ready for this. Can you tell? Air Jordan Retro High OG USA 9. Retail $170. Can you see him? Oh. No. Oh, these are sick. Wow. I don't even know what to say. These are clean. Check out the quality. It's suede, leather. I don't know what this is, nylon, I think. Black sole. These are fire, smoke grays. Some people compare them to the Unions. I don't know. I think these are pretty good. Pretty cool by them. Like, you don't have to compare these. These are fire. I don't know. I really like them. That's it.